What are you doing, Matthias? You're digging. Digging for what? Let's see. Show me your seeds. Ew. Oh. What are you making your pumpkin into?
A jack-o'-lantern.
A sad jack-o'-lantern? Is it going to be a sad one?
No.
No.
It's going to be a happy one.
Oh. Kieran, can you stick your hand in there? Pull out some seeds. What's in there, Boo? Is it ew gross? Let's see. Is it getting clean? Yup, it's getting clean. Oh, Matthias, you got your top on.
My top on? But I'm done.
You're done? Okay. You're done too, Kieran? Wow. Help. Okay. Which way does it go, huh? Mommy doesn't know. There we go. Oh, you took it off again.